Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with some new Colourpop makeup and some holiday makeup 2023. I am so excited to get into this video with you beauties today because I have not unboxed these things yet. So we're gonna unbox them together. You're gonna see, you know, first impressions, and I did get a gift from Colourpop, a holiday gift. So I'm really excited to see what it is. Let's just hurry up and quickly do that because I've been waiting and waiting for you beauties. And then I also have the new Colourpop makeup to show you, the holiday makeup 2023. So it is actually, let me just get into it. Let me just tell you really quickly, it is the Rudolph, I believe it's called the Rudolph collection. So I've got the palette, I've got some lips, and we'll see what else that I've gotten because I'm not really sure. Because again, I haven't really unboxed. Oh no, actually I did unbox. I did unbox it, didn't I, with you beauty in the PR video? Okay, but I didn't really get into it, is what I'm trying to say. So here is the gift that Colourpop sent me for the holidays. So I can't wait, guys, to see what it is. It says special delivery from us to you. And so it says, happy holidays. Hey bestie, happy holidays. We wanted to thank you for such an amazing year together. Yes, thank you, Colourpop, for the amazing year. I'm so thankful for you too. We're so happy you're a part of the Colourpop fam. I'm so happy to be a part of the Colourpop fam. Thank you, Colourpop. And it says, to spread some holiday cheer, we're sending over some of our iconic fan faves. Everyday essentials to stay cozy and ready for the new year. Yes! We hope you enjoy this holiday season with your loved ones. And so yes, thank you so much, Colourpop. Colourpop is like, I think, one of the first companies to work with me, to collab with me. So they will always be in my heart. I'm forever grateful for Colourpop for believing in me. And so guys, here is what they sent. So thank you so much. I don't know what this is, but thank you. Thank you for having me in the fam. So, oh my God, guys, look at this. First thing is this beautiful hat. And I am a hat addict. So, and this is a beautiful, you know, kind of neutral shade, so I could wear this with everything. So this is amazing. It's very soft and it has an adjustable back, which is so great for me because my head is ginormous. So a lot of hats don't fit me, but I'm sure that'll fit. Oh my gosh, guys, then here is some more. Okay, a lippy pencil. Yes, I always love my lippy pencils. So, oh, it's a beautiful nude tone. Yay! Is this, which one is this? This looks like BFF, the ultimate nude lip. And you know, if you haven't tried it, it's exactly like Hyatt. It's amazing. And so then here is, oh my God, yes, some socks, some crew socks. I love this. You guys love that look when you wear your leggings and then your crew length sock. And look how cute with the red. Oh, so festive too. And these are so soft. Wow, these are, do you guys see how thick that is? Wow. Very thick, very soft and plush. Thank you so much, Colourpop. And then here is a Colourpop Luxe lip oil, which I'm gonna put that on put this on right now because my lips are parched. My lips hurt so bad from the, you know, the cold weather, and then the heat blowing on them is like, does that make your lips so chapped too, like mine? Oh, look, it's beautiful. These are tinted lip oils. Wow, this feels so good, you guys. Is there a name to this? Because I would definitely be repurchasing this. This is called Skinny Dip. And oh, look at here, there's a whole bunch of stuff. So you know what, maybe we can try this all out too with the video, with the palette. I wasn't expecting it. Oh my God, look at this. Is my favorite blush. I actually went through 3 of these already. This is the shade Flamingo. Yes, my favorite blush. And there's more in here, guys. I wasn't expecting all this. Is this a palette? You know, I've been wearing my 11/11 palette every day. Oh, Coconuts palette. Yes, this is one of my favorites. Guys, have you seen this palette? It's beautiful. Very, very, very neutral, wearable looks. You know, these kind of, you know, neutral shades that you can wear every day. This is very similar to the 11/11 palette colors, which, guys, have you seen my videos? But I've been actually like mixing the kind of white or the silver color shimmers with the golden shimmers, and you mix them together and put it on your lid. It looks beautiful. So that's definitely one of my favorite palettes. Oh, look at this. They know me. They know what I like. I love these kind of shades, these neutral, nudie shades. Ritz. Thank you so much, Colourpop. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Thank you for sending this to me. I would actually love to put that hat on right now, but you know, but I guess I can't. But here is some new Colourpop makeup that I have. So thank you so much for sending me the holiday gift, Colourpop. I'm so grateful. And then this is the new makeup that I was going to try out with you beauties today. So we have these 2 Lip Kits holiday makeup style. I think you're cute. This is a lip kit. It looks like a nudie pink kind of lip kit. I think you're cute. And then here is There's Always Tomorrow. Which one would you guys wear? Oh my goodness, I can't decide. Okay, we'll see when we do. I haven't looked at the palette yet. So once we, when I see the palette, we'll see what kind of look we're going to do. Here is the new palette. Look at how beautiful that is. And I feel like this is so festive, even after the holidays, just for the winter months. It's just got that winter theme and that winter vibe. So, oh my goodness, guys. Now, look at how beautiful these shades are. Oh my God, look at the green. I love these kind of evergreen pine tree green shades. Oh, and the kind of Merlot red. I would love to do. Okay, I'm gonna do the Merlot shades today because the lighter shades, I'll wear those every day. But for something fun and festive, let's try out these maroon type shades, these deep reds. So anyway, let's get into this. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to take an extra large fluffy brush and just buff it all over. That is so beautiful, you guys. Do you see how creamy and it's so pigmented and smooth and it's not patchy at all? So how gorgeous is that? I think this is just beautiful. And so easy. You're almost pretty much done with your eye look right here. Just put even right here, you could just put a shimmer on and one of those gorgeous shimmer shades in here. And, you'd be ready to go if you're in a hurry. You just want to get a quick holiday makeup look. Look at that. There's no fallout. How crazy is that? That's really amazing. I didn't even think of that. I just started putting it all over. I just get so excited. And I didn't even think about it because, I could have been covered in red eyeshadow, all over my face, but nope, this has no fallout, so that's amazing. I'm just massaging this all over my lid. I'm just putting this all over, and then we'll layer a shimmer, one of those shimmers on top. What do you beauties think? And I'm just gonna reach into this deepest shade here, which is called Ready Santa, and we'll just put that on the outer portion just to make a nice contrast. And I'm just going to take some of this shade here, North Pole, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that. Oh, look at how beautiful. Wow. And I'll put that in the tear duct. I'm definitely going to put this on my face because look at how blinding that is. And I was going to cut my crease, but you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and just layer this right on top because it's just so beautiful. So do you guys see that? It's gorgeous. I'm not even wetting this. It's so pigmented, ultra pigmented on its own that you don't even have to cut the crease. You don't even have to wet the brush. This is that one shade, North Pole, all on its own. And what's really nice about these shadows too, you can keep layering. I'm actually just putting all different colors now. And they don't ever turn muddy. So they stay true to their own shade and they blend beautifully together. And so you're not left with, I tried a palette the other day. It was so bad. I'm just going to smudge some of this shade again. The first shade we used is called Full Power. I'll just smudge some of this under here, under our lower lashes. I love this so much, these colors. I definitely can see myself wearing these shades definitely all throughout the winter. Probably even in the summer I would be wearing these. It's beautiful. What do you guys think? Should I add a liner? Because sometimes the liner is, but I don't even feel like you need a liner. But, all right, let's do it. I already started, but you see how it looks with the liner? Can you believe we used all of those dark colors, all of these dark shades, not an ounce of fallout? That's a Christmas miracle right there. Because, beauties, how many times, I don't know if you're like me, but I am always in a rush. And I would love to go out to a holiday party wearing this makeup and just put it on really fast like we're doing. And, you can do it with this palette. If you're like me and you're in a rush a lot of times and you're not going to get makeup on your face, so you have to, start over or wipe it off or whatever. Look at it, it's amazing. I'm just going to put on a little bit of this Flamingo blush now. I can't resist it. I did have cream blush on already, but you can never hurt to put on a little more blush, right? So I'm just loving that. And then I'll put on a little mascara. And do you guys think that, should we wear a lash? What do you think? I feel like you don't even need lashes with this. makeup is so beautiful, this eyeshadow, that you don't even, I feel like you don't even need faux lashes. So beauties, now we have the lips here. This one here is called I Think You're Cute. This is more of a nude lip kit. And then this one here is more of a red toned shade. And this one again is called There's Always Tomorrow. I guess we'll put both on really quick so you guys can see which one might be right for you. And first we'll put on this one, There's Always Tomorrow. And then here is the coordinating lipstick that goes with it. But you could always mix and match too, because the nude lipstick would look beautiful over this, I think. But here is the lipstick. And I'll just put a little gloss on top. So what do you beauties think? This is so festive, so beautiful, and I absolutely love it. But let's go ahead now and try on the other lip kit so you can get a good idea about which one you might want to pick up. And then here I have I Think You're Cute. So let's go ahead and try this one. That is such a beautiful lip liner. As you can see, the previous color that we had on, very hard to remove. These are very long wearing. So hopefully you could get a good idea. But here is the lipstick, the nude lipstick for this lip kit. This is so beautiful. This is my absolute favorite lipstick right now. My favorite nude, hands down. These, if you will, you know, if you don't get the lip line, I think it's a lip kit. So you'd have to probably, let me see if you'd have to get both together. This one is called Clarice. Maybe you don't have to get them together, but together they are stunning. And they're an exact match. So that is hands down. I hope I never have to be without this lipstick. So what do you beauties think? Which lip kit do you like better? Let me know down below. So beauties, this is the finished look. I went ahead and added some lashes, just a little natural lash. But what do you beauties think? I really don't even think you needed the lashes, but I just figured we would try it for the sake of the glam, you know, see how it looks. So anyway, beauties, let me know what you think of this new Colourpop makeup. Would you pick this collection up? Have you picked anything up from this collection already? I will have everything linked down below with the shop with the YouTube feature. So if you saw anything that you like today and you don't have it already, I would definitely recommend picking something up from this collection. It is limited edition and it is so gorgeous. Everything that I tried today, so beautiful. These shadows, so creamy, so blendable, so pigmented. These lips, they feel so good on your lips. They're so moisturizing. So I definitely am just in love with this collection. So let me know what you beauties think down below. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because today we are having a giveaway and all my giveaways are for my subscribers. So today's giveaway is for a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. So just comment #GlamFam down below so I know you want to take part, and also subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I hope you're having a happy holiday season, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for more beauty content, and I will see you beauties very soon.